I'm Lieutenant Jenna Forrester from 6th BEB. So we are constructing an ice bridge crossing, and we're trying to enable the brigade to be able to conduct their mission across the river. So typical ice bridge, what you would do is you'd berm up snow on either side, and then you just flood the area in between and let it freeze. Basically, you're just creating an area for tracked vehicles or wheeled vehicles to get across a wet gap crossing. So you're building up more and more ice, and the thicker the ice, the more it can withstand. So today we've got personnel from Corel out here with us using the GPR equipment so we can tell how deep the ice actually goes and if there is running water underneath the ice or if it's just air pockets or gravel. So GPR stands for ground penetrating radar, and it allows us to see how the ice depth varies throughout the entire river, whether it's ice all the way through to the bottom of the river or if we're hitting air pockets or water pockets.
Hi, I'm Specialist Tyler Gilmore, here with the 6th BEB. So we're out here trying to drill holes in the ice, to find depths in the ice, to create an SOP for the ice bridging project that we're attempting here. Right now, currently, we are trying to find depths. Later, if we need to, we will begin to pump water from below the surface on top to try to create a larger sheet of ice, allowing us to drive heavier equipment across. The whole ice bridging concept basically derives on how fast you can build something, and then in the spring, whether or not it dissolves fast enough.
So depending on the ice thickness, shooting for roughly 24 inches of ice for SSV, recovering SSV. But besides that, tracked vehicles require more thicker ice than wheeled vehicles just by the way that the tension's put on the ice. This training kind of is very unique for my guys. We're out here trying to cross roughly a mile worth of wet gap crossing. It's pretty unique.
This right now is about 42 inches of ice across 1,800 meters. Last time we were doing about 12 inches of ice over 1,000 meters. This is awesome. Like you can't find this anywhere else in the world. As a soldier going through AIT, you don't get this kind of training. This is something that you have to come to Alaska to do.
So this training kind of helps our unit, helps our guys understand how their mission set is important to the actual entire brigade, not just 6th BEB. We're enabling the entire brigade to conduct their follow-on missions in the West Training Area out at Fort Greely.
This is the only job in the Army that you get to mess around with heavy equipment and toys and play on the ice. It's not sitting in a foxhole somewhere, freezing your butt off, looking at a piece of dirt. I mean, you get to play with tools, equipment, all kinds of stuff.